Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kynthei University, Meghalaya.
Hadin gijing petri kabla katto ke nitayo, we Samla wade nak we ke judgment rio bla arpwe Snem karta, yau bla buri no ke kerteng namar gijing perking ki kendon ke ain poksu. Haga kan retorik unaitung arja pun rio la lijban Pyndem yelde hakmat ki Pulit ke Leit police station. Ki Pulit ke register kes sepok ki kendon joka pokso act. Bat hapok ke kendon BNSS. Bat penlong ye gijing tokit hadin bagila dan ki Samla Kynthei. Kibla kala kilanot kila pensapriang ye kadurjang hak social media rengkat kijingno bolale bejat ye ki babon ki Samla Kynthei haki Snem kibla lidno bad haka dur bagila pensapriang lakam bagi kato ke Ngut kilanot ru kila syak berngem huniu Samla ban pensapriang ye ki video shimet jongki Superintendent of Police ke East Kasil sebab bibek sim hau korwak kubor blak pa sigilat patai kubor la pentip bagi Pulit kelakam mardor yu tangsuan Pyndem hak madu officer in charge rengka Leit police station ban sara ban pian bisyar yu kasari.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Stem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Stem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is Stem's, our ride, our future.